You don't always need to pay for expensive software to get powerful tools. These 5 websites are completely free to use, and some of them can actually replace apps you might be paying for. Let's start with one of my favorites. Ever wanted Photoshop without actually paying for Photoshop? Meet Photopea. It's a powerful photo editor that runs entirely in your browser. You get tools like layers, masks, filters, selections, and even support for Photoshop PSD files. And there's nothing to install. Just open the website, upload your image, and start editing. If you regularly work with PDFs, images, or documents, you'll want to remember this one. It's called TinyWow. Think of it as a toolbox for your files. You can merge PDFs, convert files, compress images, edit documents, and much more. Instead of downloading a separate program for every little task, check TinyWow first. Now this one is completely different. Open Radio Garden and you'll see a globe covered with radio stations. Spin the globe, pick a location, and listen to what's playing on radio stations around the world. You can jump from India to Japan to the US in seconds. It's basically a world tour through radio. Here's a website that can save you a surprising amount of time. Remove.bg. Upload a photo, and it automatically removes the background. No Photoshop, no complicated selection tools. Just upload the image, remove the background, and download it. It takes just a few seconds. Google can find you an answer, but Wolfram Alpha can actually calculate it. You can enter equations, statistics, conversions, mathematical problems, and much more. For example, instead of searching through different websites for a calculation, just enter it here, and it gives you the result directly. If you're a student, this is definitely one to bookmark. So those were 5 websites you won't believe are free. Which one did you not know about? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more useful websites and tech tricks like these, make sure to subscribe. And if you want 5 more websites like these, let me know.